I'm gonna ask you a question. You can choose to answer or not. I do not
Yeah.
know if you know or not. So, because it sound to me na kasi nagsabi ka ng i-honor your contract and it doesn't sound like it's an amicable breakup like what I've read on the press release.
Well,
So what do you mean there's still money on the table? Dapat
well,
ba hindi pa siya dapat tanggalin or why do you
from
think na pangit ang ginawa ng Phoenix? It sounds like that's what you're trying to say. That's what you're trying to imply na they could have handled it better. What do
yes,
you
they
mean
could
by
have.
that?
Well, they could have handled it better. They could have told him beforehand, before making the announcement in the media. They could have gone into a joint press conference instead of a
Are you telling
singular.
me na hindi alam ito ng coach bago lumabas sa media? Usually, sinasabi yan sa coach or sa tao bago ilabas.
I think he was told, pero nga wala siya sa
Hmm.
the press conference. The press release should have been, there should have been also a quote from him giving
Mhm.